Okay, this is unexpected. The pelicans are out. This is a pelican. There's 6 live in the park. 5 are captive and 1 isn't. Well, by captive, you know, they can't fly. But I wasn't expecting them to be here. Yes, indeed.
No, don't. No.
Oh dear.
Pelican.
Dobra, nie kiedyś nawet leniwie zobaczyć.
And they're everywhere. So I'm walking. Oh, what I'm walking in.
Yeah, you want to
I guess they got fed today. Should have been by now. Oh, that's a nice sun. Oh, I like that. And they're off. They haven't been brought out or anything, they're literally just doing this themselves. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 6. Ooh, okay. Didn't want to tread in that. Well, they do come out here from time to time, so it's not that. Oh, now we have 6. Over there.
It's like a flamingo.
The pelicans.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, but look, it's kind of pink.
There's 5 of them that are stuck in the park because they've got their wings clipped, and there's a 6th one that's been a visitor, but it's been here for over 20 years, so I don't think it's going anywhere. Oh, I mean, these other ones, there's 3 older ones and 3 younger ones. Oh, this is having a bit of fun anyway. I'm having fun too. I wanted to see the pelicans when I came down here, and the answer is yes.
Oh, this is a nice one. Look, this is a
Ooh, there we go, all six. I'm not going to change photo orientation in mid-video. Ooh, I will. What's this cute? Oh dear. Oh, this is going to get a bit bright. There's a good selfie. Anyway, let's get the peace and quiet and I don't want to back into anybody. Oh no, that was fun. That was definitely a fun experience at St James's Park.